Hi, I'm Emily. Do you want to understand real English without getting lost? Today, you get 10 minutes of slow, clear listening practice with a real life story. Jack just moved to England. Let's start right now.
It is morning. The sun is up, but Jack is still in bed. He opens his eyes slowly. Oh, it's 7 o'clock already, he thinks. Jack came to England 1 week ago. Everything is new. The streets, the weather, the food. The weather is often rainy, but today the sun is shining. He feels a little lost, but also excited. England is different, he says to himself. But I like it. Today is Tuesday. Jack gets up and goes to the bathroom. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. Then he makes his bed. A clean room is a happy room, he says with a smile. He goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is small but nice. He makes breakfast, 2 eggs, bread, and a cup of tea. In England, people drink a lot of tea. Jack likes that. While he eats, he looks out the window. He sees a woman with an umbrella. It is not raining, but she has an umbrella. Maybe she is ready for rain. Jack thinks and laughs. After breakfast, Jack puts on his shoes. He takes his bag and his keys. He lives in a small apartment on Bridge Street. Bridge Street is quiet in the morning. Jack works at a bookshop. The bookshop is near the train station. He walks there every day. It takes 15 minutes. On his way, he says, "Good morning," to Mr. Harris, the baker. Mr. Harris is always friendly. "Hey, Jack, how are you today?" "I'm good, thanks." "And you?" "Busy but good. Here, take a biscuit." Jack smiles. "Thank you." He eats the biscuit while walking. It is buttery and nice. A little treat makes the day better, he thinks. Jack arrives at the bookshop at 8:45. His boss, Miss Evans, is already there. "Good morning, Jack. You're on time again." "Well done." "Good morning, Miss Evans. I like being on time." Jack opens the shop. He puts new books on the shelf. He cleans the desks. He helps customers find books. At 10:30, a little girl comes in with her father. She wants a book about foxes. "Do you have a book with a talking fox?" she asks. Jack thinks for a moment. Then he finds a red book. "Here, this one. The fox lives in a forest in England." The girl smiles. "Perfect." Her father says, "You are very helpful, Jack." Jack feels proud. "I'm happy to help." At 12:30, it is lunchtime. Jack sits outside the shop on a bench. He eats a sandwich and drinks water. He watches people. Some are walking fast. Some are waiting for the bus. He calls his mom. "Hi, Mom. Everything is okay." "Are you eating well?" she asks. "Yes, don't worry. I had a biscuit from the baker today." She laughs. "Good boy. I miss you." "I miss you too, Mom. Talk to you tomorrow." After the call, he feels warm inside. Home is far, but Mom is always close to my heart. The afternoon is busy. Many people come to the shop. Jack helps an old man find a map of England. He helps a student find an English dictionary. The student says, "You saved my life." Jack laughs. "It's just a book, but I'm happy to help." At 5 o'clock, Miss Evans says, "Good work today, Jack. See you tomorrow." "See you tomorrow. Have a good evening." Jack walks home. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. A light rain starts to fall. Typical England. he says with a smile. At home, Jack is tired but happy. He makes a simple dinner, rice with vegetables. He sits on his small sofa and eats. Then he opens his notebook. He writes 3 things. 1. Today I helped a little girl. 2. I talked to mom. 3. I ate a warm biscuit. He writes in English. Every day, he learns 5 new words. Today's words: biscuit, a small, sweet cake, like a cookie. Friendly, kind and nice to people. Proud, happy because you did something good. Umbrella, something to keep rain off you. Close to my heart, something very important to you. At 9 o'clock, Jack gets ready for bed. He brushes his teeth and puts on his pajamas. He looks outside. The rain has stopped. The moon is big and round. He thinks, 1 week ago, everything was strange. Now, I know Bridge Street. I know Mr. Harris. I know Miss Evans. England is starting to feel like home. He turns off the light. Tomorrow is a new day. Let's see what happens. And Jack falls asleep with a small smile on his face.
Thank you for staying with me until the end. I'm really proud of you. If this helped you, please like the video to support this channel. And I'd love to hear from you. What should our next listening practice be about? Write your idea in the comments. Take care and I'll see you soon.